Hello everyone, I'm Kishi. Let's fold the wall pocket today. You can use it to organize small items by hanging it on the wall. You can also use it as a paper tray on your table. I'm folding a sheet of normal copying paper, but you can fold any sizes of paper. Place the color side with the shorter side at the top and bottom. Match the bottom edge to the top edge by folding the paper in half. Crease the bottom edge. Match the top edge of the top layer to the bottom edge. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Match the top right edge of the top layer to the middle line. Crease the edge. Match the top left edge of the top layer to the middle line. Crease the edge. Match the bottom right edge to the middle line. Crease the edge. Match the bottom left edge to the middle line. Crease the edge. For the top layer along the middle line. Crease the top edge. We have finished folding the paper, but I'd like to recommend you to make it more attractive by drawing pictures or by coloring. Thank you for folding a wall pocket with us today. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and hit the like. See you in the next video.